Great news for sports fans. The Philippine sports history is in the making as our Philippine teams continue to etch our country's name in the elite world of the faster, higher, and stronger. This report from Yana Dormitorio.
Hey sports fans, I am Yana for Scoreboard, and this is your fitness page for the day, where excitement is the name of the game. Have you heard from our favorite Philippine Azkals lately? The team seems to be in hibernation since June, but mind you, the team continues to move up to their highest world ranking in history. Climbing 3 places from their position last month, the Azkals is now 141st in the latest ranking released by the International Football Federation recently. The improvement came on the strength of impressive results in the past few months that includes a 1-0 victory over last June, the country's first win over the former British territory at senior level, and don't forget, the 2 wins in the Challenge Cup qualifiers over Cambodia and higher-ranked Turkmenistan side 1-0. Moving on to boxing, our very own Manny Pacquiao seems too anxious to gain back the clouded career after a string of losses. On the other side, Brandon Rios, a fighter in his own right, finds himself in a unique position of having the opportunity to fight a formidable fighter and at the same time earn unprecedented attention he has not previously enjoyed. Not to mention the pot of gold both fighters will surely get. The 2 fighters are scheduled to clash on November 24 at the Venetian Macau Resort in Macau, China. Pacquiao, in crossing paths against a much younger boxer in the 27-year-old Rios, is more than willing to trade punches and set the stage for redemption on the ring. Rios, who boasts knockout power with a record of 31 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw with 23 knockouts, meanwhile sees the upcoming fight as a launch to superstardom. And the amazing Gilas Pilipinas, after years of patient longing and hard work, all of a sudden is pushed in a sweet spot of possibly qualifying for the FIBA World Championship in Spain. Oh yes, sports fans, our national team is rewriting history as the Gilas attempts to seal our ticket to the global basketball mainstream. Who knows? Perhaps Olympics is just around the bend. Thanks to our talented and resilient players who makes a lot of sacrifices for our country. Last week, with only 1 setback, our Gilas immediately played business as usual as win after win elevated us in the top spot of the Group E on Wednesday in the 27th FIBA Asia Men's Championships at the Mall of Asia Arena. While waiting for the outcome of the game between South Korea and Qatar, let us hope that our Gilas Pilipinas continues the momentum and focus as we now enter the last phase of the qualifying tournament. Well, that's it for now, sports fans. Before I end, let me share this thought. Given the opportunity, I believe that we all can be heroes in our unique way. Till next week then, bye!